Welcome to another MMV tutorial. Today we are going to configure mobile controls for our vehicle. To start, let's create a canvas that will contain all the mobile buttons. Assemble a joystick model, which is an area sprite and another that is movable. Add the joystick component. Add a mobile button management component to your canvas. It will take care of receiving all data from the player and passing it to the vehicle. Enable mobile controls and add joystick to Controls Manager. Now let's create a touch field that will be used to control the camera. Add camera control field in your control manager. It is possible to invert the horizontal and vertical axes of the camera movement if it is the other way around. Finally, let's create a button that, when pressed, makes the vehicle fire. Remember that this will only work if the vehicle has a fire management component.